These two are dip switches. Dip switches, there are combinations will be there, right? So for this particular dip switch, there are two switches will be there. For this one, there are three switches will be there. So there are two switches means 2 power n combinations. So where n is number of switches. So there are two switches. So 2 power 2 will be 4 combinations will be possible. There are three switches. So 2 power n. So 2 power 3 combinations will be possible. 2 power 3 means 8 combinations will be possible. Only these